Welcome to TUVSW Academy, your transformation partner. In this video, we'll learn about how to make an account, buy and complete a course with ease. Visit our website, academy.tuvsw.com. Click on Sign In the top right corner and log in with your email and password. If you do not have an account, simply enter your name, email address, password, and basic details as required on the registration form given on website. Make sure you are putting your name accurately, as it will be written on certificate. Once you are registered and logged in, you can find a course by clicking on Menu. Then click on the course you want to learn. Once you've chosen your course, click Add to Cart from Course page. You'll be directed to the checkout page where you can complete your enrollment. At checkout, you can pay using your credit or debit card, make a direct bank transfer, or use Tabby to split your payment into easy installments. Also, you can use your discount voucher here. Once your payment is confirmed, you're enrolled. If you are transferring through bank, you need to send transfer evidence with your order number at academy@tuvsw.com. Head over to your dashboard where you'll find your course under My Courses. Simply click the course and begin your learning journey by clicking on Continue the Course from Course page. You can complete each course at your own pace and pick up right where you left off. Once you've finished all lessons and exercises, you'll receive your certificate of completion. Also, you can always see progress of courses in Dashboard and can download certificates of your completed courses from there. To make general changes such as change in name or password can also be done from your dashboard. And that's it. It's as simple as that to register, enroll, and complete your course. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Happy learning at TUVSW Academy.